I painted this Scout after fixing everything to get this. Hey there, you're about to see this vehicle transformed right in front of your very eyes. It's a 1970 Scout and it's been through a lot over the years. This time around, it's all going away. We're going back to factory in the exact configuration that this owner dreams of. So buckle in, hold on. First, I need to thank Mr. Stuart Clifford for providing permission to use his music to illustrate this video. Thank you.
When I stand before you shining in the early morning sun, when I feel the engines roar and I think of what we've done, oh, the bittersweet reflection as we kiss the earth goodbye, and the waves and echoes of the towns become the ghosts of time over borders that divide the earthbound tribe. No creed, no religion, just 100 winged souls. We will ride this thunderbird, silver shadows on the earth. 1,000 leagues away, our land of birth. To Albion's land, I'm coming home. When I see the runway lights in the misty dawn, the night is fading fast. Coming home, far away, as their vapor trails align. Where I've been tonight, you know I will not stay. Curving on the edge of daylight till it slips into the void, wasted in the long night streaming till the sun is born again. Stretch my fingers off my hand, covered countries with my span, just a lonely satellite, speck of dust and cosmic sand, over borders that divide the earthbound tribe. Flow the dark Atlantic over mariners' stormy graves. We will ride this thunderbird, silver shadows on the earth. 1,000 leagues away, our land of birth. To Albion's land, coming home. When I see the runway lights in the misty dawn, the night is fading fast. Coming home.
Alright, so here we are. We are in final paint prep on this 1970 International Scout. See? It says so right there. This has been an incredible project, both physically and skill-wise, just challenging and seemingly never-ending. But every big project comes to an end at some point, and this one is coming to an end in a favorable, very appreciative way. The hard work that's gone into this has been acknowledged greatly by its owner, and as you can see, this thing gave every challenge there was. So at the end here, I can show everything it takes to get a vehicle with a decent paint job and decent condition into very nice condition. This is the nicest this has been. I mean, they were never this straight from the factory, and it's kind of a byproduct of having a lot of damage is that you can make it really straight because you're doing a lot of body work. It's kind of funny, the worst vehicles come out the best. So I've got epoxy ready to go, and I'm gonna start spotting this in, taking my time.
Love is a razor and I walk the line on that silver blade. Slept on the dust with his daughter, I've read with the slaughter of innocence. I will pray for her, I will call her name out loud, I would bleed for her. If I could only see her now. Living on a razor's edge, balancing on a ledge. Living on a razor's edge, balancing on a ledge. Balancing on a ledge. Living on a razor's edge, balancing on a ledge, you know the evil that men do is on and on. The evil that men do is on and on.
So last night I finished spraying the base coat of the base coat, and today I came in and I repeated the same step that I did on the fenders, which is a light scuff with 800, and you kind of straighten it as you're filling little divots and little imperfections that had to be taken care of. You'll thank yourself if you go around and do this. Another one off into the wild. Look at that. That's a tight engine right there. No oil.